So in this video I'm using two 12-volt solar panels in parallel to charge my 12-volt supercap bank, which is then being bucked down to power my motor. And so my solar panels are essentially charging my supercapacitors to power a load. And so to prove this, I'm now going to block the solar panels. And now that I flipped over my solar panels, you can see that the motor kept on going for a little while until it stopped. So that means that my supercapacitors are not fully charged at the moment, but it's just a proof of concept that the solar panels can charge the supercaps. And there it goes. The solar panels, I just got direct sunlight. The solar panels are coming on. You saw a little bit delayed. That's because the supercapacitors are charging from the solar panels. Each solar panel is rated 100 milliamps each at 12 volts. So when I tied them in parallel, that gives me 12 volts at 200 milliamps. And these supercaps, I have 5 of them, which are rated at 2.7 volts, 50 farads each. And when I put them in series, that gives me a grand total of 13.5 volts at 12.5 farads. And then I'm using a DC-DC converter, which is then taking that voltage and bucking it down to a 2.7 to power this device. My next step is to power a 12 volt load with the 12 volt supercap bank with the 12 volt solar panels. And so that concludes this video, and I'm just going to demonstrate one more time. I'm going to block the sunlight altogether with the solar panels, and you can see my fan is still going, and that's because of the supercap bank. And that's it for this video. Thank you for your time.